Will Shields here, taking time out to show you another great vehicle we have in inventory that probably should be home with you. Well, it's not every day you see this at a Ford dealership. A 2017 Tesla Model X 90D. Pretty cool looking vehicle. All electric. And here's what I thought was pretty cool. Check out the side door. It's a gull door. You haven't seen those in ages. Tesla interior. Pretty much, those of you that are used to Teslas, for those of us that don't see them very often, this is cool. And all you gotta do is this door closes and that door closes. We got a combination suede leather dash, perforated camel collar interior. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And you do have a USB input. Sorry it's upside down, but I'm looking at it upside down. So, got questions on this one? It's pretty cool. Or any other vehicle in my inventory? Hit me up. Will Shields, 801-712-5994. So if you like that vehicle, or if you got questions on anything else I might have in my inventory, feel free to give me a call. My cell, which is 801-712-5994. Take care.